Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Validating XML is an essential step in ensuring that your XML documents are well formed and adhere to a specific schema, like DTD or XSD. There are several online tools and methods to validate XML documents. This tutorial will guide you on how to validate XML online and provide examples of how to do this with different online tools. What you will learn. 1. What XML validation is. 2. Different types of XML validation. 3. How to validate XML online using various tools. 4. Example XML and schema for validation. 1. What is XML validation? XML validation refers to the process of checking whether an XML document is well formed and conforms to a defined structure, usually specified by a schema. There are two main types of validation. Well-formedness: the XML document follows the basic syntax rules, example proper nesting of tags. Schema validation: the XML document conforms to a specific structure defined by a schema, example DTD or XSD. Two types of XML validation. Well-formed validation checks if the XML is syntactically correct. Schema validation checks if the XML adheres to a defined schema, example XSD, DTD. 3. How to validate XML online. Here are some popular online XML validation tools. A. XML Validator, https://www.xmlvalidation.com. 1. Go to the website. 2. Paste your XML code in the left pane. 3. If you have an XSD schema, you can paste it in the right pane. 4. Click on the Validate button. 5. Review the validation results. B. Freeformatter XML Validator, https://www.freeformatter.com/xml-validator.html. 1. Navigate to the Freeformatter XML Validator page. 2. Paste your XML in the text area provided. 3. Click on the Validate XML button. 4. The results will show whether your XML is valid or not. CW3C XML Validator, https://validator.w3.org. 1. Visit the W3C XML Validator. 2. You can either upload your XML file or provide a URL to your XML document. 3. Click on Check to validate your XML. 4. Review the results for any errors. 4. Example XML and schema for validation. Here's an example of an XML document and an associated XSD schema. Example XML document, example.xml. Example XSD schema, example.xsd. 5. Validation process. To validate the example XML against the XSD. 1. Using XML validation tool. Open one of the online XML validators mentioned above. Paste the XML in the designated area. Paste the XSD in the schema area, if applicable. Click Validate to check if the XML is valid according to the schema. Conclusion. Validating XML is a crucial step in ensuring that your data is structured correctly and adheres to the desired format. Using online tools makes it easy to validate XML documents and schemas without needing any software installation. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can quickly validate your XML files and ensure their correctness.